today this is going to focus on enumerating distribution and kernel information. So before I start, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment if there's something you don't understand. So let's jump into it. Okay, so guys, I'll start about the name of the operating system. So let's say we want to check the name of the operating system. You can say for IM, it show you the name of the operating system. As you see now, guys, I'm logging as UOA173. This is the name of this operating system in Termux. Okay, let's say I want to check the host name. I can say host name. As you see, guys, I'm looking as locally host. That is the host name of this operating system. Okay, and let me just clear this one. Let's say I want to check the ID. I can say the ID will show me the ID, the user, and the group, and the other information that can be useful to you. Okay, and let me see what I can do next. Let's say I want to check the groups. I can say groups, input the username of the operating system. So that is UOA173. That is the username. Okay, that is the group where it belongs to. So it belongs to UOA173. Okay, and let's say I want to check the CPU information. I can say ls CPU and hit enter to show all the useful information that you can need, like the model name, the model, the socket, and the sleeping, and the request boost, and the CPU max, and the CPU min. Okay, so and the flag too. Okay, so that is the really useful information that you can need. Okay, so let me just clear this one. Okay, I won't explain everything, but if you want me to explain, you can tell me on the comment section. I can explain everything. Okay, so now let's see what I can do. Okay, and we have the true code uname. Okay, let's check about what is uname can do. Okay, by typing what is as you see, guys, it prints the system information. You can check the main page by typing main uname. Okay, so let's do it. Here's a name, uname, and see the useful information that uname can do. As you see, guys, it print all the system information. And we have the kernel name, the node, and the kernel release, the kernel vision, the machine processor, and the hardware platform, the operating system, and etc. Okay, so for now I'm going to put down everything one by one so that it be easy for you to understand it. Okay, so we're going to start by A. A is for all, so it will print all the information. Okay, so I can say your name, or as you see, it print all the information like kernel name, node, kernel release, kernel vision, machine processor, hardware, and operating system. Okay, so let's start one by one. So let's start about S for kernel name. Okay, as you see, I'm looking. This is the name. It's okay, kernel name. Okay, and let's say about the node name. Node name is N. So you can, if I type N in the end, as you see, I'm logging as a local host. Okay, let me clear this one. In the next one, I'm going to use R for kernel release. Okay, and E for kernel vision. So this is the kernel vision. Okay, so this is all the SMP, MPT, Tuesday, July 14. That is the time where it started. Okay, so next we're going to check about the machine. Okay, so let me just get this one. The machine, if I remember, is M. Okay, so I'm going to type M for machine, and you see is ARMV mail. What is the machine name? Okay, and the next one would be the processor. So if I want to check the processor, I can say uname P. P stands for the processor. Okay, so uname and P. As you see, the processor is unknown, guys. I don't know why it is, but I will check it out and explain it in the comment section. If you wanna know about it, even the hardware platform is unknown too. But let's talk about the operating system. But the operating system I know is available is Android. Okay, as you see, guys, the operating system is Android. So guys, that's it for now, guys. So thank you for watching my video. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if there's something you don't understand. Okay, so see you next time, guys. Peace.